Hello students, welcome to a brand new video by Notebook. In this lesson, we will look at the area of some interesting things and have fun with their boundaries too. Suppose you buy two colored chart papers one day. One is blue in color and the size is 5 cm by 6 cm, and the other is yellow in color and measures 6 cm by 7 cm. You want to cut out squares from each chart paper measuring 1 cm by 1 cm. How many such squares can you cut out from each chart paper? Across the length of first chart paper in blue, you can cut out 5 pieces of 1 cm by 1 cm. Across the breadth, you can cut 6 pieces of 1 cm by 1 cm. So, if you count one by one, you can cut 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 pieces. Hey, you can simply multiply the length by width to get the number of pieces too. By the way, did you realize that the area of the chart paper is 30 square centimeter? The area of one piece is 1 square centimeter. So, the area of 30 such pieces would be 30 square centimeter. What about the perimeter of the blue chart paper? If you have not forgotten your lessons from previous class, you would have rightly guessed the answer by now. Perimeter of a shape is the length of the boundary. In this case, it's 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6, that is 22 centimeters. Across the length of the second chart paper, you can cut 6 pieces of 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. Across its breadth, you can cut 7 pieces of 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. So, if you count one by one, you can cut 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 pieces. Hey, you can simply multiply the length by width to get the number of pieces too. By the way, did you realize that the area of the chart paper is 42 square centimeter? The area of one piece is 1 square centimeter. So the area of the full chart paper will be 42 square centimeters. Again, what about the perimeter of this yellow chart paper? The length of its sides is 6 plus 6 plus 7 plus 7, which is 26 centimeters. Therefore, the perimeter is 26 centimeters. Now suppose you cut each blue and yellow sheet into 2 triangles and make the shapes as shown here. Each triangle is half of the 1 centimeter square. The first half has 4 triangles and 1 full square of area 1 square centimeter. Therefore, the area of the lovely shape is half times 4 plus 1 square centimeter. That is 3 square centimeter. Now look at this shape. Can you find out the total area of this shape? There are 6 triangles with the area of each triangle as half square centimeter. So, the total area of the shape is half times 6, that is 3 square centimeter. Let us now look at a story from the times of Akbar and Birbal. You all know that Birbal had the wisdom of all of humanity put together and perhaps more, right? So one day, Akbar was extremely happy and in a mood to honor Birbal with some land and gold. So he offered him to choose any land whose perimeter would be equal to 100 meters. Some people suggested him a square plot of 25 meters by 25 meters, saying that it would bring good luck. Some others suggested him to take rectangular plots of size 40 meters by 10 meters. Birbal surprised them all by drawing a circular plot. When everyone asked him why he chose a circle, he told them that for a given perimeter, a circle has the largest area. In this case, 800 square meters. All of his fellow ministers ran back to the court, thinking, calculating in their minds. As usual, Akbar was very impressed. Next, he requested Birbal to mark out a piece of land whose area was 800 square meters and he would give him a rope of gold whose length was equal to the perimeter of the plot of land chosen. Akbar thought himself to be very clever, and he thought that he would have to give 100 meters of gold. Again, Birbal's friends from court suggested him various rectangles like 40 meter by 20 meter or 8 meters by 10 meter. Birbal refused all of them and chose a very funny looking plot of land whose sides were 8,000 meter by 0.1 meter. Everyone started laughing, including Akbar. They thought that Birbal had surely gone mad. What would he do with this funny plot of land? When Birbal measured the perimeter of the plot, it came out to be 16,000.2 meters. All the ministers, including Akbar, fainted on the spot. Birbal was a happy man though. So children, for a given area, a rectangle with a very long side and a very thin breadth would give a large perimeter compared to a more balanced rectangle. You would learn more about such fascinating facts of geometry in your higher classes. Hope you had fun learning things about perimeter and area today. We will see you soon in another fun-filled informative video on a new chapter. Until then, goodbye.